In 2016, I began to realize that there was a real need in the community to help the shelter system. Miami-Dade Animal Services is really a community resource. They take in stray animals, confiscated animals, as well as owner surrenders when their owners can't keep them anymore. With 30,000 animals coming into the shelter and so many people who couldn't afford medical care for their pets or sterilizations or just didn't understand about the needs that animals might have, I knew that there was a real opportunity to make a difference. The mission of Friends of Miami Animals Foundation is to save and improve the lives of pets in our community.
I am the Chief Veterinarian at Miami-Dade Animal Services. We sterilize about 23,000 animals, which means that we are helping control the pet overpopulation problem in Miami.
Overpopulation of dogs and cats is a huge problem in Miami-Dade County. FOMA provides grant money to public and nonprofit organizations who then do free or very low-cost spay-neuter surgeries for our community. FOMA also provides grant money for TNR programs, which is trap, neuter, and release. They trap cats in the community that are feral, and they spay-neuter them to prevent overpopulation of those community cats. TNR programs have been shown to be the most effective way to stem the overpopulation problem. Prevention is very important. For example, one cat can give birth 3 times a year. Each one of her litters could be 4 to 6 kittens. In 4 months, each of those kittens is giving birth to 4 or 6 kittens, and so on and so on. It's very important that we stop the overpopulation and the suffering for cats.
Through the support of the Friends of Miami Animal Foundation, we've been able to do holiday toy drives to collect in-kennel enrichment, as well as create large playpens for our playgroups. Playgroups are important because it allows us to get to know the dogs on a more personal level. It also helps with mental stimulation.
We plan to continue working with FOMA into the future. They help us with advocacy, outreach to the community. Volunteers has been a big part of FOMA's work.
I started volunteering about 5 years ago, and then I became part of the fostering program. Taking dogs to a home environment makes them happier and easier to adopt. Fostering has been so rewarding for me because the love I give to the dog gives back to me. Zillion had his leg amputated due to cancer. Thankfully, now he's got a clean bill of health. Every time I walk with Zillion, people just have to say hello to him, and he loves people. He is a very happy dog.
FOMA has brought so many people to the shelter, and it is so important to bring so much awareness to the community because that is what ultimately will save animals.
FOMA is the voice for animal welfare in Miami-Dade County. FOMA works hard to make sure our community is not only hearing the issues, but also gives them a way to respond and give back by adopting, fostering, volunteering, or even donating straight from our website.
One of the projects that we're rolling out in the near future is a mobile medical unit that will help owned pets from being surrendered to the shelter when their owners can't afford routine vet care. We're going to do that by having a medical unit in underserved parts of the community so that pet owners can get vaccinations, microchips, and we're hoping to offer them a free certificate for sterilization.
Every little bit helps, and there's so many ways to get involved. We really encourage anybody who's interested to look into FOMA, donate, volunteer, really consider adopting or fostering as well. It would make a big difference.
I know that working together as a community, we can save and improve the lives of homeless pets. I urge you to look at our website, talk to some of our staff and volunteers, and learn how you too can make a difference in the life of pets in Miami-Dade County.